Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's still Palesa, my beautiful name. So today I'm preparing bhajia with cabbage salad. Yeah, cabbage salad. So yeah, I'll show you the process and at least you get to know to make the bajias. Ukuna prepare peke yako, unakula, and yeah, homemade bajias instead of buying all the time. So guys, nilikuwa nishatoa wali because of time. So here are my ingredients. We have the dania, lemon for the salad and stuff. My bunga, garlic, onion. Yeah, all the stuff are here. I'll show you the process. But first, I'm going to be boiling this one. Yeah, I'm done. So yeah. So guys, I'm already grated the onions, the garlic. Here they are. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add flour, water, then the spices, and food color, which is salt, black pepper, a little bit of paprika, turmeric, and chicken powder. So all this is to add taste, but if you don't like this, you can only use food color. That will be enough. So yeah, now guys, the mixer to mix. So this is the glass. So there's the water, the flour, the spices. So yeah, now mixing the spices. Oh, check I know. Then this one a little bit. Okay, the amount of spices the way you like it. So yeah, for me I like the food with a lot of spices, which is not healthy. And salt, not salt. And then my food color is orange. Let's take it now. And then flour. Don't forget to add water. For me, I like to mix everything so that I can make the mix now the end result. And oh, not forgetting the onion. Not forgetting the onion. Yeah. Add the flavor, but it's not necessary. Just if you only want to add it in your bhajia. For me, like just a small amount. This one is enough, I guess. So yeah. So let's add it in there. That's enough. I'm gonna add a little bit of flour just to make it thick. Now we're gonna blend. Decided to use this one because this mixer is creating a mess that I'm not ready to clean right now. So yeah, to avoid dealing whatever may happen, we have to use baking kubwa kwenye ka splash vitu kama. So yeah, you need a fine liquid that is able to mix up with the potatoes for great results. My waru itachemka and nitakatakata in small pieces or into round shape. So yeah, here are the potatoes. Unakatakata this size, alafu your bhajia will be like good to go. Alafu now I've already prepared vitu za make the cabbage salad. So these are the natumia nyanya, tomatoes, and lemon juice in place of vinegar. This is mala here in replace of mayonnaise because I didn't have it. And then pia kuna mango paste. Ni grate the mango to get this. Na nimambe enye haijaiva. So yeah, and then cabbage, dania, carrots. I'm gonna use this to mix all these stuffs in order to get the all cabbage salad. So yeah guys, let's see how it goes. I bet the salad will be like so perfect, sweet, delicious, everything good about it. So yeah, let's see. And then I'm still making the meat enough. I love my salad being sour. Actually, yeah, me having that cold, so we didn't have it, so I had this lemon juice. That's what I did a hot drink now. It's now perfect. So yeah. So I'm gonna start mixing. Take notes. So yeah, cabbage. Then carrots. Oh my god. Yeah. After that, now I use my dhania or coriander. Yeah. Sheesh. Okay. I love the green. Now the mango paste. Now I use the tomatoes first. And the last and not least, I'm gonna use the mala 4 spoons and enough. 4 spoons. Now mix everything and add the lemon juice. Oh, I love the everything now. And I took care of there. Okay, okay. Now I'm gonna put the lemon juice. Now the mixing and my salad will be ready to eat. Ready. Now we can take we call it a taste or bite, whichever taste. Yeah, I'm gonna use my hands because they are clean. So yeah. Now this is my part. Down. I'm not gonna continue tasting because I'm gonna eat a lot, like almost all of it. So yeah. It's ready now. Let's prepare the bhajia. I mean, this thing is something else. Hope you have taken notes because we need to try this. You need to try this, honey. You need to do this. Now we're making the bhajia. I've washed my hands, but let me dry them because to avoid being like the hot quick. So yeah. Now, since my hands are clean, I prefer using my hands to dip the potatoes in the this fine liquid or thick liquid in order to keep it in there. Yeah, so let's mix the one. Jamani, wow, okay. Tuendelee tu. Guys, the smell, it's calling. Inavutia. Inanukia. Yeah. So I'm We're gonna wait for those to be ready. Then continue mixing. Start to boil it. It's almost ready. Guys, imagine now you don't have to buy bhajia, ushajua kuzipika. In fact, to make better than them, zenye unabuy. Honestly, just look at them. You can have some perfect results. And now, dipping them. Guys, I'm telling you, hiyo inanukia jameni. Nahisi kana kwamba nimetoka coast. Jamani. I wonder how they taste, but they're very sweet, very tasty. Nimedecide kuweka more ndio at least hata mimi yenyewe nasikia njaa, I need to eat something bana. So, I need to finish this up instead of doing kamoja. Ama kidogo, I just finished up this stuff. Yeah. But you can decide on how to go about it, whether you want to cook in small sessions. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm gonna remove this one for now. Wash my hands. Watch it with me. I'm gonna use this thing to return them after some time. It's done. Is it even? I need to, guys. You can use these serviettes, hard serviettes, to like absorb the oil from the bhajia. But then kuweka bila serviette and then like you get to have mafuta more kwa lesson yenye unatumia, and it's not healthy for your body itself. So yeah. So guys, finally everything is ready. Okay? Hey. Okay, anyway, so here I have the happy ending, the bhajia, the salad, tomato sauce kidogo. Okay, kila mtu anakuanga na kautoto yake, so yeah, I must draw those love stuffs over here. Anyway, na pilipili kadogo, I love chili, and some fruits over here. So yeah, me I'm into fruits, like a lot. So yeah, and juice. We do have a friend over here, but I'm not going to introduce her because she doesn't like media stuff. Anyway, without much further ado, I'll test nione. Nyinyi hamwezi onja, mnaona tu vile inakatamu. Mimi feel vile inadonjo juu hapa ndio kuna mafomu. And then this is my partner. I think I like this thing. But anyway, let me just do it. Let me use my fork. Yeah, it's crunchy. Hope it's juicy, I mean. Awesome. It's awesome. I mean, I can't even explain the sweetness of this stuff. A little bit of juice. I mean, guys, what else? What else do I have to say? It says everything. It explains everything. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like, kindly subscribe and share. Yeah, let's support each other, you know, in this channel. Yeah, thank you so much. It's a happy ending. Hope you've enjoyed and taken some notes. Thank you so much.